Introducing the 2022 Skoda KAROQ 2.0TDI 115BHP Style 5. Door in sleek black with 75898 kilometers. Packed with comfort, safety, and style features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and a chrome package. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this stunning car. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in luxury and safety today.